What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here again doing another time-lapse draw with me video, and today I'm doing one of Sophia Richie, a queen. I love her Instagram. I love all of her pictures. She is so beautiful. I would love to know what you guys think about these videos, or if you have any suggestions for future people that I should do illustrations of. Please let me know in the comments. I always reply to my comments, and you can also DM me on my Instagram. I also always reply to my DMs. Yeah, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff on there. I do questions, polls, all sorts of stuff on my stories for you guys. I post all the time. So if you want more content, you can check it out there and see when I post this photo. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys watch me do this. Alright guys, we are almost finished with this drawing of Sophia Richie. I hope that you guys love this video as much as I love making it for you guys. Make sure you leave a comment down below, like I said earlier, on what you guys think about these videos, what people you want to see me do next, and any other video requests you guys have for me because I love doing your video requests. And of course, you can always DM me on my Instagram at Tay Studio, and I always reply to my DMs on there. I love talking to you guys. So feel free to do those things. Of course, follow my Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe to see more illustration content from me. And if you want, you can like this video if you liked it. I would appreciate it. And yeah, I think that's it. We're coming to the end of the video. I will catch you guys in my next one, or I will see you on Instagram. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm working. No, not about put the work in. Lost and all I love them all to me a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.